Hi, my name is Wayne Vega. I'm with Acadiana Plastics Molding, and I've been with APM now, oh gosh, it's almost 30 years, and I've been there nationwide pharmaceutical sales development. The Stat Vial was born first here at Acadiana Plastics Molding in the injection molding side of the business, where a vial is molded out of just simply pellets of plastic and molded into a shape. Once the vial is molded into a shape, it's taken into a print room. And in that print room, we have a unique technology that's able to dry print onto the vials. Essentially, whatever decoration, whatever colors you want to put onto a vial, we can meet that criteria and get it onto the vial. Once the vial is then made into a finished good, if you will, from APM, it's packaged up and sent to a consumer that has something called a stat fill system and our stat sealer system. And once it's filled, it's sealed at the tips and then made into a finished product. And because it is a unit use disposable, the consumer is allowed to simply open it up, apply what they're using it for, whether it's under the tongue or whether it's put onto the skin, and the package is then discarded and it's recyclable. As a pharmacist, I can tell you that dose is everything in health and safety. And when you're using a glass dropper bottle, you're asking for the consumer to measure up a dose. The consumer, not a pharmacist, not a drug manufacturer packaging it. That is typically the biggest risk anyone can do with drugs, is self-administration of the drug by way of their own dosing schedule. And the most important thing that's done in drug safety and efficacy is accurate dosage. You're not going to get that from a glass dropper bottle and a consumer measuring it. You will get that from a manufacturer measuring into a single-use vial and putting the accurate and safe dose to be used into a single vial and used by the consumer. As a manufacturer, I need to label. It has regulatory requirements. Again, these are drugs, whether it's the agricultural department or if the FDA, or if it's even on the recreational side, it's the state agencies that regulate your packaging and printing or labeling. And on a glass dropper bottle, you have to get an adhesive and put that onto the glass dropper bottle. Glass dropper bottles are known to leach adhesives. Also, you have to do a separate purchase, go to another manufacturer to find out who can make your label and put it onto your package. At Acadiana Plastics, we're turnkey. We have not only the packaging for the drug, but we also have the decoration. And this print technology is patented and unique to only Stat Vials. Manufacturers can choose what they want to put on their label, including things like QR codes. So that details of the pedigree of the drug or the lab testing results of the drug can be found with a quick QR code read. APM provides all that for you before you get your package. So the Stat Vial is on the marketplace, and success in the respiratory inhalation space is because it was a problem with contaminants. The rubber bulb on a glass dropper bottle, that was the older extinct packaging for respiratory meds. The rubber bulb is a contaminant to active ingredients, including the tinctures. The glass dropper bottle also opens up wide open completely and can remain open so that there can be more contaminants get in if left open too long, or degradation of the product from the oxygen getting inside it. With a unit dose vial, a Stat Vial unit dose, it's only one use. Also, because it is a single-use vial, there's no dipping in and out, so there's no other contaminations going in and out. And the final thing is that when you use a unit dose package, once it's used and discarded, you're no longer at risk of the other remaining vials that still stay in your package of having any contamination, because they remain sealed and closed. Stat Vial, Stat Sealer. More information can be found at acadianaplastics.com. Please visit us, and if you have any questions, reach out to us and we'll come out to demonstrate this system for you. Thank you.